the
Okay, during the Teacher's Day. Okay, so read this one first before we fill in the blank. Read this one.
from
From
sekolah
mm,
menengah
mm, Tum. Ha, Tum.
tempat
Yes, sekolah menengah Tumpat. Sang.
sing
Mm-mm,
anak
mm.
of songs.
Yes, okay. So it says here during the Teacher's Day, someone from Sekolah Menengah Tumpat. This is the name of a school, okay? Sang a number of songs. Okay. So who do you think sing the song here? Is it a party of friends or a choir of singers? Or is it players or an army of soldiers? Ah,
Singers.
Singers, of course. Okay, so the answer is B, a choir of singers. Okay, so you can draw a circle there, a choir of singers. Okay, so good. So let's look at number 9. Okay, read first, Avril. Are you having flu, Avril? Are you flu? You eat medicine already? You eat ubat? No. Oh, you okay, 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 okay. So drink a lot of water, okay? Drink lots of water and take rest, a lot of rest. Okay, so number 9. What is the word here?
Uh,
This one first. Yes.
Yesterday we
Mm-hmm.
went shopping.
One more time. This one, Avril. Teacher cannot hear you.
We went shopping.
We went shopping.
We went. We went
Mm. Shh.
shopping.
Okay. Next one. I
I
bought.
bought
Mm-hmm. This one. What is this? Read. Eh, eh, eh. I bought.
of
Mm-hmm. Oh,
bought
yes,
clothes
clothes.
my father.
Yes, for my father. Okay. So you went shopping yesterday, maybe with your mom. So you bought what of clothes for your father? Okay. I think we have done this one, clothes. Have we done this one? Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, this one. Yes, we did this one. Okay. Can you look at page number 19? You turn back a bit. You turn to page 19. We have done this one. See, we have clothes here. Okay. So for clothes, Avril, which one do we write this last time? Is it a library of clothes? Is it a pack of clothes?
And a
Mm-hmm. If you're not sure, say the sound. Which one is it? What number? What number? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Which one?
D
D.
D
Okay, so this one is how you say the word here. Okay, a suit.
S
Suit. You don't have to say the I sound. This one is the suit of
the suit of
of clothes. Okay. Okay. So the answer here is what number? A, B, or C, or D? A suit of clothes. Okay, so the answer is C. Okay, turn back to page 22. Okay. Okay. So the answer is C. I bought a suit of clothes for my father. Okay. Okay. Next one, Avril, number 10. Uh, this one, read
We
first. Mm-hmm.
we
So,
saw a
mm-hmm. Okay, continue reading.
of bees high up in the top of the tree.
Yes. Okay. So we saw of bees high up on the top of the tree. Okay, for bees. This one you can turn back to page 18. Here we have also the answer for the question. Okay, bees, Avril, bees, page 18. Page 18. So for bees, what do we write there last time? Bees.
Swarm, swarm,
Yes. Swarm. Okay, you don't have to say the R sound. You just say the swarm.
swarm.
Yes. Okay, so the answer will be D. We saw a swarm of bees. Okay. Okay, good.